Solid mind here, and today we are looking at the iPhone Air, the 256 version in sky blue, and also in black, gold, and white. Should you buy this phone in 2025? Hold on. Yes, I was just thinking the prices look a little different, but that makes sense. So should you buy this? Let's have a look. So if you get on a 12-month contract with Currys, it's £95 a month. That's the total, 1147.8. 24 months, 1296. 36 months, 1459. So the longer it takes for you to pay the phone back, the more you have to pay. And buy now, pay later. I don't know why you would do this. If you can't afford a phone, don't buy it. But should you buy this phone? The answer is no. I don't recommend you buy the iPhone Air. Why is it the iPhone Air? All the other iPhones are like 17 now. Is this the iPhone Air 17? Genuine question. It's a thin phone, which I don't know how that helps anybody because you need to put a case on your phone anyway. So it might be thin, but it's just a pretty phone. You can get a strap. Why would you need a strap for your phone? I don't. Okay, that's fine. Let me see. You can put like a little power bank on the back of the phone. At that point, it might as well just, get a normal iPhone. So it's eSIM only. I don't like this. I don't. I know it's handy, but I like the ability to have a physical SIM card in your phone. I know most people will never need to remove their SIM card from their phone except when they're changing phones. And the way that phone numbers work, you can just transfer a phone number to a new device by sending a text. But I don't know what else. The Apple Intelligence, that's a joke. Apple Intelligence is nowhere near as good as the Google Gemini, Copilot, ChatGPT, even though Apple Intelligence is based upon ChatGPT, but the older version. What else in there? A nice display, nice cameras. I think the camera, it's only one camera, and I think this is controversial. That is fine. You don't need to have a crazy, amazing 13 cameras on a phone. One is enough. That's fine. You can get more storage, 256. You know what? I think the bare minimum a phone should have now is 256. Most people actually need at least 512 1 terabyte for one main reason: photos. This takes really high quality photos and videos, and for you to maximize those videos and pictures, you need to get the higher storage device or get iCloud. You can pay £5 a month and there you go, Bob's your uncle. In the UK, you can get it delivered within 3 to 5 working days. Not bad. Or collective within an hour. Not bad as well. What else can you do? Add a £49 case. What a joke. AirTag, that's fine. And let's look at some of the exact features. So super thin. Okay. It's shockingly strong. Shockingly light. Okay, the thinnest phone ever. I don't know how that helps. How does having the thinnest phone make your life better? If the phone would die much quicker than a normal phone, how does that make... I don't understand it. Maybe I'm old. Maybe that's why. What else is there? More durable than any previous iPhone. I saw the jerry-rig video of this phone, and the jerry-rig video made it seem like this phone is not gonna break, and I believe it. So 2 advanced cameras in one. Okay, so it's one camera. 48 megapixels is plenty, which is fine. 18 megapixel center stage front camera. So the megapixel count doesn't actually matter. A19, that's fine. All day battery. What does all day mean? If I use the way I use my phone, all day won't work. All day battery life is up to 27 hours of video playback. At what brightness? And is video playback a good way to determine all day? Because there's more you can do to your phone than just video playback. iOS 26, okay. New looks, okay, fine. Apple Intelligence, satellite feature, strong connectivity, eSIM. How is eSIM a feature? Most phones have eSIM. And privacy. Okay. This phone does not support a physical SIM. Please check whether your mobile network operator supports eSIM. Makes sense. Makes sense. Specification here. Okay. USB-C. That's interesting. That is now in place. Wi-Fi 7. Jeez. I remember a couple years ago Wi-Fi 6E came out. So Wi-Fi 7 is a game changer. To have, okay, Face ID, biometrics, all that stuff. Nothing special. That's a 2K display. That's not bad. Okay, nice DPI. 6.5-inch, good size, touchscreen. Yes, it better be. See, this is where I struggle. Lithium ion. There's better batteries out there than lithium ion. You don't need to have a lithium ion battery in a phone this thin. If it had the latest battery technology, it would have the same battery life as an iPhone 15 Pro Max. But I know Apple won't do that yet, because then why buy 15 Pro Max? Just buy this phone. What else is there? Another USB-C, 1 year guarantee, that's fine. So just one camera at the back, 48 megapixels, 18 in the front. It's a 4K resolution, no, video resolution. Okay, so 4K Dolby Vision recording, 4K. Okay, that's fine. That's gonna eat up a lot of space in your device. It has a flash. The cameras, oh gosh, are these all the settings in a camera? Okay, so it's an iPhone. Cool. Virtual assistants, Siri. What about Apple Intelligence? Oh, it's right here. Apple Intelligence, MagSafe wireless charging, Qi wireless charging. Okay, Qi is the normal universal standard. Video calling, yes, has a speaker. IP68, so maximum depth of 6 meters for 30 minutes. If you are underwater for 30 minutes and it's around 6 meters, I don't know if is that even safe? No, it's not safe. This is more like you drop your phone, you'll be fine. The reviews, no one has reviewed this yet. Ooh, why not? Reviews of curries. Okay, thank you very much for that. Doesn't really help me at all. Delivery. So orders under £40, don't really care. Okay, this is just delivery stuff, and the other iPhones are down here. But yeah, let's end this video here. Should you buy this phone, the Apple iPhone Air? No, don't. Like, you're paying £1,800 for half a terabyte for a phone that has less cameras, that has a less battery life, and in the long run will not be as good as the other phones. So yeah, that's my advice. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.